Hello, dear students. Today we shall learn about some words. There are some naming words. All places, people, animals or things have names. Why do we give names to person, people, place, animal or thing? To identify them, to know them, we give a name. For example, ruler. It is the name of this thing. So to know, to identify, to recognize a thing, person, place or an animal, we give a name. So everything has a name. All places, people, animals or things have names. So naming words are called nouns in grammar. What is grammar? It is the knowledge of language, how to speak, how to write, how to think. Knowledge of language, speech is called grammar. Now, naming words are called nouns in grammar. So we have various types. Let us see some of them. Names of persons. Man, woman, boy, girl, tailor, doctor, teacher, student, soldier, farmer, merchant, peon, etc. These are the names of persons. Now we come to next, names of places. Our home, school, garden, temple, mountain, road, farm, station, hospital, playground. These are all names of various places that we know about. Now we come to next, names of animals. We learned about names of persons. Now names of animals. Cow, dog, rat, bat, cat, cock, hen, peacock, sparrow, horse, snake, elephant, monkey. There are some small animals also. We call them insects. For example, fly, mosquito. They are small animals. Now we come to next topic, names of things. Names of things. To identify or to know a thing, we have a name for it. So all things, there are many things around us. For example, wall, blackboard, ruler, shirt, book, pen, pencil. These are all things. We give them names. Names of things: pen, chalk, duster, book, crayons, colors, bag. Now, milk is the name of material, also thing. Cake, chair, board, etc. Now we come to names of organs. To identify or to know about organs, we give them names. So head, this is my head, this is my forehead, this is my ear, these are my brows, this is my nose, these are my lips, this is my chin, this is my cheek, this is my neck. So head, nose, mouth, hand, leg, palm, thumb, foot, finger, eye, chest, ears. These are all names of organs of the body. Now we come to names of materials. For example, milk, water. Water is material, glass is material, stone is material, soil is material, wood is material, cotton, petrol, iron, copper, etc. Now, there are also some names which are given to a group. So, names of collections or groups. For example, crowd. One person or one man cannot be a crowd. So many men, people, children, standing together make a crowd. So crowd is a collection of people, group of people. Army, so many soldiers collected together, we call it army. So army is the name of group or collection of soldiers. Herd. Herd is a group of animals. For example, suppose so many elephants are going in a forest, herd of elephants. Now bunch. Bunch is a collection or group of flowers. One single flower cannot be called as bunch. One single flower is name of a thing. Flower is a thing. But so many flowers tied together, we call it bunch. Bunch of the flowers. Now, swarm. What is swarm? Swarm is a group collection of bees. One bee, small insect, flying. Swarm of bees. If there is a big group of buzzing bees, we call it swarm of the bees. What do bees do? Bees fly from flower to flower. Why do they fly from flower to flower? They fly from flower to flower to collect honey or nectar from the flowers. It is their food. A bee sits on a flower, passes its sucker tongue inside the flower, sucks the nectar that has collected at the base of the flower, and that nectar the bee keeps on her hind legs, carries to its living place. Where do bees live? Bees live in a special preparation made by bees themselves. This special home of bees, what do we call? What is the name of the place of the bees? We call it beehive. Beehive is a name of the place where bees live. Nest is the name of the birds that live in. Cave is the name of the place where lions live. Hole is the name of the place where snakes live. House is the name of the place where we live. Swarm of bees, they live in a hive, they collect nectar and make honey for us, for their food. Fleet. What is fleet? Fleet is a group of ships sailing along on the sea. Fleet. Band. Band is a group of people, say musicians, playing music in front of a procession. So band is a group of people working special work. Now, there are some names of relatives. To identify or recognize our relatives, we give them names. We name them. For example, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, niece, nephew, cousin, husband, wife. These are all names of our relatives. Now, special names. We give some special names to certain things. For example, Delhi is the special name of a city. India is the special name of a country. Rahul is a special name of a boy. Everest is a special name of a mountain.